Okay, go.
You have to change the date and time stamp for your
Oh my goodness, are you kidding? What the heck?
Okay, while Hannah works on that, we'll just show you. Look, we just picked up Adam, Hannah's brother. Say hi, Adam, Hannah's brother.
Hi, Adam, Hannah's brother.
Well done, well done. And back to Hannah. Oh, she's doing really pretty good with all that. I hope there's more duct tape, Camilla. I really do. One more layer of duct tape, okay? I like that.
And she's
Green
like,
and then red. Yes, Camilla, you did not disappoint me. Thank you. Thank you, thank you.
And she's like, I didn't get very many layers on. Whatever.
We're really thankful that you spent all of that time. It's so worth it for us to have to watch Hannah open this.
Yes, I got to the actual package.
Yeah, if that's what you think it is.
Oh, yum.
I know.
You do a really obvious voice of it.
There, yeah, it does like these. Oh, and they weren't even opened. How sweet. Thank you, Camilla.